So here you can see I have this clip which I can't extend because this is the end of this clip. But if I turn on this secret option, then I will be able to extend this clip, and then this clip will be keep looping as long the clip is. Here I can extend it even more and it will keep looping that section infinitely. Now to do that, you need to take a Fusion clip, then go inside Fusion, and now from here, take the video clip you want to loop. So for example, this one. So you see this one ends right after this frame. But if I select this media one, then you will see this loop option. And then let's check this loop option. And now we'll see the whole section has been looping. Now let's connect it with the media out. And if we go to the edit page, you'll see this section is now looping. And now if I extend this clip, now you might see this black screen. So to fix this, just go back to the Fusion, select the median, just untick this loop option and then tick it again, and it should work like that. Now if you're wondering why can't I do it with the normal clip, good question. So if I try to do it with this clip, which I can't extend it. So first of all, if I go to the Fusion, in the media one, you won't find that loop option. You will only find that loop option if you drag it from the media pool. Even if I turn on this loop option and delete this one and then connect it. Now, if I go back to the edit page, I can extend this clip because Resolve knows that this clip duration is only 3 seconds. So it won't let you to extend the clip. That's why we're using a Fusion clip. Another thing, if you want to loop a specific section of a video clip, for example, this one. So to do that, first you have to cut those section and then you have to make that clip into a compound clip. So right click and then new compound clip, just hit OK. Then you can delete all these. And then it is the same process. Take a Fusion clip, go inside, and then take that compound clip, just connect it, and then hit the loop, and it will keep looping that section. Again, if I extend this clip, it will be black. Go inside, untick it, then retick it, and it will keep looping that section.